have been missing making video tutorials for you all, but I have been busy designing new stitches that I can share with you. So inspired by the blooming flowers that are abundantly available at this time of year, I would love to share this new pattern that I have made, and I hope you like it. For this project, I'm using I Love This Cotton, which is 100% cotton, and it's very soft to use, very easy to work with. It does split sometimes, but not often. And weight category is 4. This is a medium size yarn, and the hook that I'm using is a steel hook by Boy, and it's 3.75 millimeter. To make this pattern, we have to create this foundation, which is made up of loops. This right here. And I use this because it is a lot better than the chain foundation, which tends to make your beginning row a lot tighter. This foundation loops makes the work more even. As you can see, it's not tight at all compared to when you make a foundation chain. So to make the crochet pattern, we are working on multiple of 4 loops. So the pattern repeats, so we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the edge. So it's a multiple of 4 for each flower. So if you want to make just one flower, you will just make a repeat of 1, which is 4 loops, plus 1 for the edge. So like you just want to make this one, you will just make 1, 2, 3, 4, plus the edging, 5, and so on and so forth. So if you want to make 3 flowers, like these are 3, so multiple of 4, so times 3 equals 12, plus 1 is 13. So you will make a total of 13 loops. So if you want to make 5 flowers, so you multiply it by 4, that is 20, plus 1 is 21. So it's that easy. Then to begin the foundation loops, the first loop is made up of chain 3, double crochet on the 3rd chain from hook. Then the last one is made out of chain 3, double crochet on the top 2 loops of the previous loop. So this is the first, how the first row will look like. So let us begin. So making the foundation chain, leave a few inches of tail, like 6 or 7 or more inches of yarn tail. then slip knot, then make the small loop at the beginning of the foundation loop. Let's chain 3 and double crochet on the third chain from hook. So that's the edge of the project. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and triple crochet on the top loops of the previous chain loop right there. We will make a total of 11 big loops because 11 plus 2 is 13. So that's one big loop. Then repeat for the next one. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and triple crochet on the 2 top loops of the previous chain loop. I call this chain loop to differentiate it from other kind of loops that we used as a term in crochet stitch. So that's 2, 1, 2, 3, triple crochet on the top 2 loops of the previous chain loop. 1, 2, 3, triple crochet on the top 2 loops of the previous chain loop. And so keep doing it until you have a total of 12, including the initial small loop at the beginning. So we are now working on the 12th loop. Then we make the last loop, which should be a small loop. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and double crochet on the top 2 loops of the previous chain loop. So this is our foundation chain loops. And we are going to use the triple crochet side of these foundation loops. So don't turn the work, but continue to do the first row. This is all for now, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video, part 2 of these video tutorials. And again, I appreciate your support for my work, and I thank you all for watching.